Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Garden Answer channel analytics. She has uploaded 1,395 videos. She now has 1.16 million subscribers with a total view of 212,022,705 views. She's from US, and her channel type is How To. She created her channel since May 23, 2014. The grade she got is B+, and her Social Blade ranking is at 37,628th. The subscriber ranking is 20,757th, and then video view rank is 28,334th. She ranked 5,072nd in US and 1,329th in How To. Next, the daily subs for Garden Answer is around 1.33k with a daily view of 266,828. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 270,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $1,080. Then, monthly income will be $32,400. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $17,820 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $213,840. That is how much Garden Answer earns from YouTube.